When it comes to vaginal discharge, there are many types and colors of vaginal discharge. You might ask yourself, is it healthy? Is it normal to have colors in the vaginal discharge? Yes, it is, but sometimes it might be at risk when there are changes of these colors in the vaginal discharge. What is this vaginal discharge? Vaginal discharge is a fluid secreted from tiny glands in the vagina and the cervix. This fluid must be seen every day. It leaks from our vagina every day in order to keep our vagina healthy and clean. Unless you have a healthy problem, but it must leak every day. This fluid changes from one color to another according to the difference of times in your pH level in your vagina. This should be well known, yeah. Some others are healthy or they are normal, but others there might be a sign of infection, which you are getting to know, which should be making you worry or which it's healthy. The first type of color is the clear type. This scientifically it's called leukorrhea discharge. The leukorrhea discharge is a vagina discharge, yes, which might also be whitish in color. And this vaginal discharge is very healthy and it's very normal. This is experienced during sexual arousal or when you are pregnant. This also might be slippery or mucus thing, which is healthy. Yeah, because it leads to smooth sexual intercourse. Yeah. The second type of color when it comes to vaginal discharge is gray. Now, this grayish type is also called bacteria vaginosis discharge. This, whenever you hear of bacteria, this is a sign of infection, and you should see a doctor immediately. This discharge is unhealthy, and you might experience also irritation or a burning effect while urinating. These are the signs of infection. Visit your doctor for more information or for more consultation. Yeah, this is the type of vagina discharge which is not healthy and is a sign of bacteria. The third type is the white discharge. White discharge is also called the egg white. This white color, when it comes to discharge, it's very healthy. This you don't need to worry. It's very healthy. White discharge shows a sign of healthy uh, lubricant when it comes to sexual intercourse. It gives a healthy or smooth sex during sexual intercourse. Yeah, mostly it's during fertilization, which is allowing the sperm to travel through the cervix for fertilization. Yeah, that is a good sign. That is a healthy discharge. You need not to worry whenever you have this white discharge or egg white discharge. The other type is the yellow green discharge. Yes, there is yellow green discharge. Now you know. This type of discharge is called trichomoniasis scientifically way. This, while having this type of discharge, it maintains uh, the yellow greenish color, but it can be slightless, not that dark. Whenever this discharge turns to darken, there is a sign of unhealthy uh, thing in your vagina. Whenever it darkens in yellow and green, it signals a sign of sexually transmitted infection in your vagina, and you need to visit a doctor. Whenever you see this type of discharge, yellow greenish, and if it darkens, yes, you need to see a doctor because it might be having sexually transmitted infection And also, if you experience a strong smell from this kind of discharge, visit a doctor immediately for more consultation. Another type of color of discharge is pink discharge. Pink discharge is also called creamy discharge. This type of discharge is experienced mostly before periods or during early pregnancy. This is healthy and this is normal. Also, it comes after ovulation or after sexual intercourse. Sometimes it might be not a good sign, but it's because of the injury or the bruises that occurred during sexual intercourse. You need not to worry too much because after that, the bruises heals, there will be return to normal discharge. That is the pink type of color of the discharge. Another sixth type of discharge is the red discharge. This red discharge is also called the bloody discharge or the sticky type. Its color can be brownish or red. The red we all know. This occurs during or right after menstruation cycle. Yeah, this or also during early pregnancy, it might be spotted of this reddish discharge. This you need not to worry because whenever the discharge is clearing from the period, it must be appearing, or it's not a must. Mostly to others, it appears reddish and it clears with time. Yeah, this discharge we have seen all type of in different colors. You have seen which you are supposed to worry or you need to visit a doctor immediately. But remember, all these discharge might be normal until there is darken in color. These colors darken from the normal or the usual color mentioned above. Otherwise, you need to visit a doctor whenever you experience these changes in colors, whenever it darkens from the usual color. This is Liz Robert channel where you'll get all the information you need. Keep on tuning and keep on supporting me. I love you guys.